One of TaxCycle's most popular data sharing features is how easy it is to prepare prior year returns. How many times has it happened to you that you onboard a new client only to discover that you have to file not only the current year tax return, but at least 1 year prior? Before TaxCycle, if you had already started preparing the return in the current year, this made for a lot of rework. So we decided to make carrying back to a prior year very easy. Open the current year file, go to the Data menu and click on Prior Year, or right-click and select Prior Year. Click Create and save the return. TaxCycle brings in all the data relevant to the prior year return, including the taxpayer information and any slip descriptions. And what if you need to prepare multiple prior year returns at the same time? Carry it back again. You can go back as far as 2012 in TaxCycle T1. And don't worry about working on these files at the same time. Use Refresh Prior Year to move data back to that prior year from the current one, or Refresh Carry Forward to move any new data into the current year return. This updates the 2- and 5-year summaries and the history that appears on any slips. And this isn't the only way you can move data between files and returns in TaxCycle. For example, after completing the final T1 return for a deceased taxpayer, it is simple to move that relevant information into a brand new T3 trust return. Just go to the Data menu and click the Create T3 button. You can use the same feature to create T4, T5, and T5018 slips returns from a T2 corporate tax return as well.